2. No, part 3. Part 2 last night. Part 3. Part 3. Definitely about welding and then on this one. No. Glitches with trying to get the cat out of the shed. Or want to keep him humble. I should keep him still not adult shed. He's still learning. Yeah. So part 2. Part 2. Got a lot more to do. We've got these. Let's make sure. Nice. They're good. They're dry. Cool. And then show some over. Cool. That took a lot better. Yeah, hot. Phew, that's very hot. Nice up. And a stop. So slag on it. So sad on it. Let's clean that slag up. Slag the pig. So silly. Talk about that on the videos. Vintage preliminary one. No. But not myself. Couldn't help myself. I'm try and clean all that up. I'll do the next bit. Next bit over here. See if it's straight or not. Looks pretty straight. That's right. This is between there and there. This one right straight there too. And straight there away. Straight there away. This one's the only one that's not straight, unfortunately. And hopefully the other one's the same. I was going to weird. Let's slide the other bit. But same as the other one. The other side. This one's going to go here. This one's going to go here somewhere. Let's hang on a bit more. Knots. I've heard that brown brush before. What is made in Australia or not? What is made in Australia? Weld again? What welding? Still not heavy. Might be. I think the welder just needs to turn up a bit more. This one's so, that's pretty hard. 1.6 pieces of 2, let's try 2 amps. That's any better or not? 4.5. Obviously didn't hurt up high enough. That's why it's all going all sputtery like it is. Didn't have it up high enough. Humble, don't you dare jump over there. You'll get a mouthful of smoke and stay there, Humble. I'm welding, Humble. Well, not this second, but will be soon. Listen outside, don't you dare come in. This is non-cat environment. It is. At the moment, smoke, sparks, and high voltage. Humble's confused. Why am I letting him in there? You should know by now, because I've told him umpteen times today. He just has to kill the cat, so how the cat is. He has to kill the cat, that's not a cat. Just, this side now. And did we turn it on anything? We did. Much better now. It's very turning better now. Better. Much better. Much better. Wow. Much better now. Oh, check that cat. He's trying to get. The light must have scared him off. The brightness of the bulb must have scared him off. That's a relief. I'm just staying out there until he decides to come inside the shed. Well, that took a lot less time that time because we had a lot less. Wow, much better. I didn't have it welded on high amperage before. But you can see what weld we've got left to weld it. It's still a half roll. Good enough not to do the whole truck, I'm afraid, but I'll pick up another roll next week. Oh, this week we're going to let me go in again or not? Am I let me go in or not? I'll put this grind on and then we'll go this thing. And run this bit of metal. Oh, last one. Ready? do the first few levels again. Just a little bit of it. And we'll do that after all. Puffy up. Not meant to get puffed, is it? No. I'm just gonna about smell that well. What a smell. Very hot. Oh, there we go. Get it in the right spot. Now that can press down like a. I'm gonna turn it back down a well again. And I'll check them out and help make sure nothing knocks on my heart. That's on high. That's on 12 and 12 and a half to 5. And then 12 and a half cents rolling glare, whatever the sensitivity it is. Then I'll just have to hook it and hope that it's not going to move. Ow, that's hot. One finger. Ow. Holy heck. Oh dear. I'll call it a finger. Here, once I hook it. Pulling over a little bit, so I'm just going to push it down a way towards the 5, and then I'm going to make sure it's straight, this is straight. I'm going to pull it on this way. And one there, one there, and that well quickly. Wow, that's so quick. Oh, smart. Oh boy, I can go to my school. Coin pretty well. That's not my coin. I hope you hear my coin. That's my I mean my mother. So if you listen, viewers, if you hear me saying right, I don't mean I'm saying something weird. I'm saying it's not my way of saying mother or mum. So if you hear me say right, you know I'm saying mother or mum. So don't be confused if you hear me say something like the word mine or mine, whatever it sounds like to you. So that's the first explanation for you viewers. Now, everyone here. Oh, hold on. We'll scrub at the brush. Scrub at the brush. Yeah. That's quite good. This thing had enough damage with like what? It's not working properly. I'll stick it out. And move it. Torch is moving again. And just play it. And very hot. Very, very hot. How about 900 degrees or so, music light? Hoping the fire as soon as get, well, the first will melt in aluminium. That was fine. Let's see. Yeah. Let's check to see how I took. Pretty well. Clean again. I can just put a wooden handle on this brush. The brush is melting. How did that happen? It's the brush because it's standing really hot metal. That's pretty hot. The other side now. This is going to be the rear end of the truck. Because you might maybe possibly guessing. I haven't given any instructions of what the truck's going to look like. Only pictures of what the truck looks like. Let you know now it's the rear end of the truck. And the axle's going to go from here, across here, from here to here, and one here, and one there like that, one there, and one there. and the bearing mounts to go up here and here, and that's to go straight through with a 05B, the white sprocket on the end, I should say, not the 05B sprocket. I'm going to have a gear changer of 8 gears, internal gear hub from those bikes, the very bikes that people advertise at the bike shop, for instance. And it's going to look really spectacular when it's all painted and everything. I'm just going to put this one out. One little bit of angle drawing I have to do. Now, I have to make it last the day because I'll give a few bits, about 5 minutes of drawing, still have to get this little bits ready. Then I'll work quickly down drawing as well, those bits together. And drawing those bits down. Now what the time is, it must be getting pretty late. Turn it off and plug it. This is how didn't do a really good job on it, did it? Ran a bit more than that. These people were born and done it. Keep it up now. Sit on here and move along. Just something there out to do. It's got tilts like that one, so it looks like it's the same as that one. Tap it now, tap it and then weld it properly. Weld, 12. We'll do a full 30 after this, a quick one. Let's see what we're up to now. Get me up to 21 minutes. Go another 10 minutes. on to part 2. Part 2. Part 4. Okay, part 4. There, what do I, yeah. I'm doing rolling now, it's rolling. Check it again. It's short, I'm going to take it to the car, I think when it's not on rolling, it has to be on rolling, I'll get white lights in my eyes. Got something now. The next step. What's this one? Whoops. Okay. Keep on there. That's pretty good. Now put the roll around down again. Hold my hand whilst I just get in the right spot to roll. This side. I'm sure it's not big. Shaky again. Right. I'm gonna do that. Not taking very well. I'll take my roller, actually. It's still 2 a.m. So it's still tender. Make it clean. It's clean. Clean up. Come on, pretty good. Now. Bring that off again. Clean it again. No, that's better. That side. Bit better. Now, I'm going to try to pick my leg. What that was? A little stretcher, I think it was. A stretcher. Get into more bed position, much better position. Rolling nice down that cover. Bit there. It's still slaggy. Phew, it smells like smoke. The cart's getting hot. It doesn't seem to be. It doesn't feel like it's getting hot. I'll feel it in my hand. Feel it. It is getting rather warm. Rather warm. It's getting warm. Something's not right there. It's the well is getting hot. That's pretty good. A little hole to fill up there I have. Which I'll last again. these ones on now. I'm going to clean, just make sure that slag is off. That's sitting on them. That's right here, and hold them. And you can really easily do it now on, so you're not bending over quite so much. If you're aware it could splash on my clothes, just don't know. I've done part, finished part 3, do part 4. Oh, what am I doing?